Action!
Hello viewers.
Hi viewers.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
Hello viewers.
My name is Blessing Emmanuel and this is Elegant Empire International.
My name is Antinima Ogeyi and I'm here live in Elegant Empire International.
My name is Princess Enegum. I welcome you all to Elegant Empire International. This is where world-class stars are made, where big dreams come true and small dreams are made to come to reality.
Do you have passion for music, acting, modeling and so on? This is an opportunity for you who will help you actualize your dream. Why not join us at Elegant Empire International?
Join us and I, together with my team, will be here to welcome you as you come. Thank you.